LF669 drone operation tutorial. Removing the product and accessories. Product configuration. Need to charge the drone battery before flight. Connecting the battery. Connect the power supply. Indicator light is red when charging. Turns off automatically when fully charged. Demonstration of charging the remote control. Connecting the remote control. Connecting the power supply. Indicator light is red when charging. Pre-flight preparation. Installing the remote control stick. Unfolding the drone arms. Install the drone battery. Make sure the drone is level before starting it. Press and hold to turn on the drone. Then turn on the remote control switch. The drone will automatically pair with the remote control. Wait to enter the image transmission screen. Press and hold for geomagnetic calibration. Rotate horizontally clockwise to hear a beep. Then rotate vertically clockwise to hear a beep again. Compass horizontal calibration is complete. Short press for gyro calibration. After the above operations are completed, please wait for the drone GPS to search for stars. The remote control will emit a beep. The search is completed. If the search signal reaches 9 or above, you can take off. Unlock the drone with the outer A lever. Push up the left stick to take off. Rise. Descend. Rotate left. Rotate right. Forward. Backward. Left fly. Right fly. Toggle the speed adjustment button on the remote control. You can adjust the drone's flight power into speed. A few beeps indicate the switching speed. Toggle wheel on the top right side of the remote control. Toggle the camera angle down to the right. Toggle the camera angle up to the left. Press the obstacle avoidance button. The drone will start the obstacle avoidance mode. Press the return button. The drone will return to the takeoff point. Short press the photo button to take photo. Short press the record button to start recording. Short press again to save the recording. Press the return button. Select file management. You can view pictures and videos. Press the back button to return to the picture transfer screen. Connect to app. You need to turn off the display switch first. Scan the QR code of the instruction manual to download the corresponding app according to your cell phone system. Connect to the Wi-Fi of the drone after downloading. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen. Clip on the cell phone to start flying. Indoor mode demonstration. Turn on the drone and remote control first. Wait to enter the transmission screen. Long press the GPS button on the remote control to turn off the GPS. Unlock the drone with the outer A lever. Push the left stick up to take off. Replace the airfoil. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws of the airfoil and remove the airfoil. Pay attention to differentiate between A and B markings. Install the corresponding airfoil.